Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a budget plan with Mint, full guide step by step clearly. To create a budget plan with Mint, start by visiting the Mint website or downloading the Mint app on your mobile device. Sign up for a free account using your email address or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, Mint will request access to your financial accounts. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial institutions. Mint will automatically import your transaction history, providing a comprehensive view of your finances. Navigate to the Budget section on the left-hand menu of the dashboard. Click on Create a Budget to begin crafting your personalized budget plan. Mint will suggest budgeting categories based on your spending habits. You can customize these categories or create new ones to better reflect your spending goals. Set a spending limit for each category based on your financial objectives. Take into account your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, and variable costs, like groceries and entertainment. Once you've set your budget categories, review your total monthly income. Adjust your budget limits to ensure your expenses do not exceed your income. After finalizing your budget, save your changes. Mint will track your spending in each category and show you visual graphs to help monitor your progress. Regularly check the app or website to stay updated on your spending habits. Make adjustments to your budget as needed throughout the month. Use the alerts feature to receive notifications when you approach or exceed your budget limits. At the end of each month, review your spending patterns. This will empower you to make informed adjustments for the next budget period. With consistency, using Mint will help you master your budgeting skills. Stay committed and watch your financial health improve over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.